Hello and welcome to Mishri Reviews, where credible reviews matter. And all our reviews are based on our own experience. These are products we buy, these are not free samples. So everything we will share with you today in our review will be exactly how our experience is. These will be unbiased and of course neutral. Hi Nishtha, how are you?
Hi Tanu, I'm well. How are you?
Great. So today's product is from a brand called Jimmy's Cocktails. These are actually very exciting, bright bottles that have classic cocktail mixers. You can have them as is, of course, without alcohol, or you can follow the recipe that's mentioned at the back and make for yourself what's supposed to be a very, very delicious, easy to make, convenient cocktail mixer. So let's get right to it, Nishtha.
Let's start with the Cosmopolitan then.
Perfect choice because it is exactly the color of my outfit. Okay, so Cosmopolitan, this of course is non-alcoholic. Like I said, it's a mixer. You've got to mix it with the right alcohol in case you want to make a cocktail. As a mocktail, you can always have this as is. Enjoy it straight up, the bottle says. You can top it with a couple of ice cubes and just enjoy this as it is. Let me tell you, so Cosmopolitan obviously typically has cranberry juice, lemon, orange and triple sec. The price of this bottle is 99 rupees. So this is for 99 rupees, it's a 250 ml bottle. What does it taste like, Nishtha?
So the first thing that you taste is a lot of cranberry flavor. It's really beautiful. It shines through quite nicely, and you get a little bitterness from the triple sec, I'm guessing. And otherwise, it's a very good mixer if you like your drinks on the sweeter side. It's not for people who like their drinks a little strong or non-diluted. This is a good party mixer if you like sweet drinks that are looking pretty all the time.
You're right. There's a lot of cranberry flavor in this. I also get that tang from the lemon and orange as well. You know, that citrusy kick at the end is certainly there. So nice.
Let's get on the next one then.
Let's do. Which one do you want to go for next?
Let's go for the mango chili mojito.
I was keeping this for the last one, but okay, let's go for it. I'm going to open this and I have a glass here with a couple of drink chillers. I didn't want to add ice cubes because I wanted to see the flavor as it is without it being diluted with water or ice cubes. So let's see what the mango mojito, chili mojito.
So this has red chili, mango, mint, lemon, and you can actually pair it up with rum and ice. And what I really like about the bottles, as you said earlier, Tanu, that these are so colorful and bright that you wouldn't mind keeping them handy for your parties. And these are pretty okay price wise. If you see, a bottle costs about 99 rupees.
Yeah.
And
the other thing that I noticed is they are good calories wise also. Obviously, typically cocktails are high on calories because there's sugar, there's a whole lot of bitters that go into it. Most of these are in that 40 to 60 calories per serve, per glass. Remember that all these bottles make 2 servings. This is what the mango chili mojito looks like. The moment the moment you smell it, the aroma is a lot of chili. A lot of chili you get, and sweet like not as much as the Cosmopolitan, obviously, but a lot of nice sweet mango. The sweetness of the mango or the mango concentrate that they've used is coming through. Not getting a whole lot of mint and lemon, as they say, but red chili is certainly very, very dominant and adds that desi twist to the drink.
Absolutely, I 100% agree with this. The red chili kind of won me over because you can't keep on having sweet drinks all the time. You need something that's a little different, and this cocktail mix certainly provides that.
Right. It's a nice desi twist. Let's go to the third one now. How about Sex on the
Yes.
Beach? This one.
Oh, why not? Why not?
And this one's got orange, cranberry, peach, and triple sec again. Only 67 calories per serve. Another thing that I like is how they've mentioned very, very clearly how to make these, and for 2 glasses, right? So the label is very, very foolproof. You know that you've got to have 2 glasses with these many cubes of ice, and then when you pour it out with 30 or 60 ml of vodka in this case, or any other alcohol in the other this makes it very easy. I think it's good when the brand tries to make sure that their product is used the way they intend for it, because that's when you get the real experience, I feel.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
This.
So the moment you'll open this Tanu, you get a very nice peach orangey flavor, aroma.
Yeah, peaches, no?
Yeah.
Actually, in any case, this cocktail, Sex on the Beach, is the primary ingredient is peach schnapps. So, how does it taste for you?
Sweet, peachy. These are the 2 words that spring up the moment I've tasted this. I think it's really good if you prefer this cocktail, if you are a die-hard fan of peaches,
Right.
because that's the dominant
Right,
flavor.
and also to be fair, we are tasting all of these without the alcohol. The moment you add a 30 or a 60 ml of a vodka or a white rum, there will be a change in the flavor. The sweetness will go down. If you have it with a couple of cubes of ice, the flavor will get a little diluted, but even the sweetness does get a little mellow. So for those who are planning to have this with the alcohol intended, yeah, it won't be that sweet, honestly. So
And we are anyway for people under the drinking age limit. This would be a good thing to consume at parties.
right,
Probably.
we're under drinking now, so we're having coffee.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, now on to the last one,
The whiskey sour.
Yeah, lemon, cinnamon, orange, and bitters.
Bitters. So what I really like about this one is that it has only 57 calories per serve.
Something very refreshing about this.
Yeah.
And the sour of the whiskey sour is fresh. And that's the other thing. All of these drinks taste fresh. The flavors are not, they don't seem industrial. Of course, they've used fruit concentrates and fruit pulp. There are preservatives and acidity stabilizers and regulators, but this would taste exactly like cocktails you're having at a bar, at home, or in a restaurant or in a cafe. They do justice to the flavors
And
that they're saying they are.
No doubt about it. And the whiskey sour, again, the Cosmopolitan and the Sex on the Beach, they were quite sweet, but this and the mango chili mojito is
milder sweetness.
Really balanced. Yeah, they're very, very balanced.
Nice. In fact, they also make for nice mocktails, and they add a nice variety to your beverage list if you're hosting people.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to always serve the same carbonated drinks or the same Tetra Pak juices which come in standard 3 or 4 flavors. These add a nice variety to that. So whether or not you're having them with alcohol, I think these make for very, very nice addition to your party list, and not just for the colors that they have. The nice, bright, vibrant.
Definitely. I feel that these are very cost effective. $99 for
two glasses.
mixer. Yeah, quite efficient, like economical.
Right. And lovely bottles that you probably want to keep, I don't know, and do something with them. Grow
Yeah.
plants in it or something. Okay. So I'm ready to give Nishri's. Nishta, what about you?
Absolutely.
So I think, and tell me if you agree with me, given the flavor, given also just how innovative this is, I like the way they've packaged the bottles. I like the information that they've shared. They're not, they're calorie conscious, and they're also value for money. It's a good timing to try this range. So I think given all of that, and just how true to the classic mocktail or cocktail flavors they claim they are, I'd actually very happily give this a 4.5 out of 5. I think. What do you actually?
That was exactly what I was going for. 4.5 is actually just perfect.
Yeah, because 4.5 is actually extremely well deserved for Jimmy and his range of cocktails. Very, very nice, interesting
Cocktails.
detailing everywhere. You know, the little figurines made, the ingredient list, the colors, the packaging. Interesting. Very nice, very nice. Lovely.
Very nice.
All right. So that's
So,
it from us this time.
A big thumbs up.
Yeah, a big thumbs up. See you guys soon. We'll be back with more interesting products. And if you have something in mind that you would like for us to review or check it out and tell you what it tastes like, let us know, and we should be back with more reviews very, very soon. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye bye.